In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use your Seatgeek tickets. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can find any tickets that you have bought inside of Seatgeek on your account profile. So after you go ahead, you browse through the tickets and you buy one, it will be automatically assigned to your profile. All you have to do to see all of the tickets that you own is to hover over your initials or your profile picture at the top right corner of the screen, as you can see over here, either from the ticket page or just the main menu, and you will be able to select tickets from the drop down menu. When you click tickets, you will be immediately redirected to this page where you can see all the tickets that you have purchased inside of SeatGeek. If you need to add an external ticket that is not from SeatGeek, click add ticket. As you can see on the screen, you will be able to notice all of the details about your tickets, expand it, and see all the credentials attributed to your purchase. You can browse through this page, make sure that the tickets are correct, and in order to use them, you either have to print the tickets or you will be able to present a screenshot of the tickets when you go to the venue or artist. All you have to do is click on the ticket detail page to get more information on whether or not you need to print them. I hope I was able to help you on how to use your SeatGeek tickets. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.